WEGL. I'm Ethan Long, and I'm a student media ambassador. Student media offers students the ability to gain real-life experience in a professional learning lab that consists of the Auburn Plainsman, the Auburn Circle, the Glomerata, Eagle Eye TV, and WEGL 91.1 FM. The Auburn Plainsman is the most highly decorated weekly newspaper in the country. Transitioning to a mostly digital news organization in 2021, the Plainsman saw over 1.1 million page views on their website. They also printed 5 special editions that hit newsstands throughout the year. The Plainsman won the Associated Collegiate Press Online Pacemaker Award this year for Top College Media Website. The Auburn Circle, our literary and arts magazine, provides Auburn students the opportunity to showcase a wide variety of artistic work including poetry, prose, music, photography, and so much more. The Circle published and distributed 4,000 magazines across 3 editions this year. They won the Associated Collegiate Press Pacemaker Award for the top literary and arts magazine. The Glomerata, Auburn's yearbook, celebrated its 125th publication this year. Distributing 7,500 books to Auburn students, the Glomerata offers students a chance to look back on the year and all they've accomplished. The Glom staff is counted on to be the historians of Auburn by recording and documenting all that is Auburn every year. By looking back through 125 years of photos and articles, you can truly find everything that makes Auburn special within the pages of the Glomerata. Eagle Eye TV, our student television station, airs 24/7 on Campus Channel 6 as well as a YouTube live stream. Eagle Eye airs live news and sports shows every week while publishing multimedia content to their website daily. Videos on their YouTube channel saw about 250,000 views from 50 countries across the world. Recent graduates from Eagle Eye have been hired at CBS Mornings, ESPN, and many local stations throughout the country. WEGL 91.1 FM, our campus radio station, is a variety station that plays many genres of music and hosts news and sports talk shows. WEGL also hosts a weekly concert series where they brought 21 different artists to campus for free concerts. WEGL's online live stream saw 25,916 hours streamed over 54,108 sessions to 12,094 different listeners. Several WEGL students won International Broadcast System's individual awards for on-air work. Throughout the year, student media has covered stories big and small while keeping the campus and community informed and entertained.